Dun sa ano dati, oh. We are about to head out. May naglilinis pa. Nak, grab the key.
One, two, three.
Yes, on the hills. Nagbalintong.
Gandang akitin ko ng bike.
Kami sa KFC. Upo! Marukan mo kami. This KFC drive-thru is really crazy. It's really crazy. Look at the line now again. I think it's because of school holiday. That's why. Look at the line. They can only fit like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cars and that's it. Where are we now? Where are we going? Let's go. Yeah, it's so traffic in here in Geraldton at the moment because it's lunchtime and school holiday. Let's go on the other side. Going to have a quick walk in the lighthouse. But really, still thinking about it because we're going to walk.
Sit by the bonfire, velvet that drapes over the sky. Talk under the stars, wonder what life be like on Mars. Watch her wide-eyed memories.
Okay, we're walking. There, I got the lighthouse at the back.
Seasons will the world will change before your eyes. You'll toast with champagne and make many mistakes that will keep you awake late at night. But know that when the going gets too hard, you'll have me in the stars. Away, does someone gaze at the Milky Way? Dream under the stars, nestled into her father's arms. Does he
enjoy the view, boys?
We are here but it's raining. I think I need to put the...
Oh.
Oh, look at the view. Oh, it's raining! Look at the view in here. It's beautiful. Kayo dyan, pero hindi kami makababa kasi maulan. Dito lang kami. Maghintay tayo hanggang mag-stop yung rain. This is only like half an hour from the Geraldton town. So
Not even half an hour.
Not even half an hour. It's like 20 minutes drive. Wiglet. Tingin ka dito. Enjoy mo na yun, Mr. Bien. Last day mo na ngayon. It's our last day today. Tomorrow, balik na kami sa Perth. It was just a bit frustrating sa city kanina, no? Kasi walang masyadong parking, especially dun sa may visitor center, si Geraldton. Kasi they're making renovation.
Pa yung
And then, hindi pa masyadong friendly yung nandun sa sa visitor center. Probably it's because it's already afternoon. So, ito kami every afternoon. Dito kami nagpapahinga dito. Kasi meron ditong upuan sa labas. Medyo maulan ngayong araw. So, what time na tayo lumabas kanina? Late na kami kaninang umalis. Kasi, first of all, wala naman kaming masyado talagang pupuntahan kanina. Ang purpose lang talaga namin while we went here to Geraldton is to go to Kalbarri para sa granite, it's not a granite skywalk, para sa nature's window and granite skywalk ba yun? No, it's not a granite skywalk. It's a skywalk sa Kalbarri skywalk. So, that's talaga yung reason kung bakit kami pumunta dito sa Geraldton. So, talagang plan na talaga namin na ito ang gawin naming home base at Geraldton. That's why this is where I get our accommodation. And so far, mas maraming mapupuntahan dito sa Geraldton instead of Kalbarri. But if you are yung mahilig ka sa mga walking trails and everything, I think you're gonna love Kalbarri. You're gonna love there's like so many trails na you can do dun sa may nature's window. Hindi lang nga kami ganon ka fit to do those trails. And yung mga bata rin hindi rin masyado. So, lang kami, sightseeing. And then this morning, we went to this Mills Lookout. We never expected na maganda siya kanina. We never expected na maganda yung Mills Lookout. So, doon, makikita mo yung mga plantation ng, canola. I think it's a canola flowers. So, hindi pa sila lahat in bloom at the moment. Because it's sabi sa visitor center, it's very early. It's mid of July, so probably end of July, first week of August, that's where the wildflowers will be in bloom. But still, we decided to go there kahit na nga maulan. And then, punta kami una dun sa lookout. And then, we decided to go close to the canola flowers. Yeah, and we had nice photos in there. So it was good. And then after that, we went to Devlin Pool Lookout, pero nawala kami. Wala kami makitang parking. So, balik na ulit kami sa city. And then punta kami we ate lunch in McDonald's, and then punta kami dun sa sa museum. Yeah, yun lang. And then later on, prepare na kami pa uwi. Ayaw mo magdumi?
Hindi akong basahin.
Lagay mo na lang sana dun sa shower.
Basahin.
Bakit? Matutuyo pa yan.
This is how much water we used up in 5
I
days.
know. We're gonna bring that to Perth.
Because 10 cents, right?
10 cents.
It may not seem much, but it's worth it in the long run.
Think it will fit everything?
Not sure. Not sure.
And then we will put all the shoes in one paper bag.